Welcome to this video. This video, we will look at how we can set up PHP and MySQL using XAMPP server. Then we will try to create a PHP web application using Visual Studio Code, and then we will try to run using XAMPP server. XAMPP is an open source web server. It's mainly used for web application testing on localhost web server. First, we need to download setup from official website. Then we will try to install and run XAMPP server. Now installation is completed. First we will try to start MySQL. MySQL is up and running. Next we will start web server. If you are getting this error, please stop IIS in your local machine. Now web server is up and running. We can access the web server by using localhost/phpMyAdmin. First, we will try to create a database. Now database is created. Next, we will try to create a new table. ID, first name, last name, and email. Now table is created. Next, we will try to insert one record. Values are inserted successfully. Next, we will try to retrieve the value from table. Values are retrieved from the table. We will create a new PHP application using Visual Studio Code. All the files should be created inside XAMPP/htdocs folder. Inside htdocs folder, we'll create a new folder named as app. Inside app folder, we will create a file named as index.php. We will write some PHP code inside this file. After saving this file, we will try to run this PHP file using XAMPP server. This may be syntax error. We will correct in the file. Now the browser is showing the output. I hope you are understood this session. If you have any question, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.